in 2021, we visited this place, the called Moss Landing State Beach, and it's fun to go there. This is formerly called Moss, and it is a census designated place in Monterey County here in California. About Moss Landing State Beach, they are the popular activities there are offshore fishing, surfing, windsurfing, and horseback riding. And it's also the beach is a favorite place for picnics because the dunes protect it from afternoon winds and provide scenic panoramic views of the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary, and also a federal marine protected area. So this area is an important stop along the Pacific Flyway. So bird watching is very popular. Yeah, I see different kinds of bird species. But the water recreation is dangerous because of a strong rip currents. They allow there's no fee. That's why people love to go there. Just sit and watch the sunset or the ocean and the sand, and also the ocean safety is also, you have to be very careful because they said it's the dangerous rip currents, frigid water, and deep offshore drop-offs make surfing and swimming hazardous for all but the most experienced surfers, I mean. And we just watch our kids to be not go really in the water, but it's just in the seashore. And the best thing also is they permitted dogs and horses uh, to be in the area. While I was sitting on the beach in Moss Landing, I enjoyed the freshness of the breeze of the ocean and felt the sand on my feet. And I also watching around with all the people enjoying the sun, the kids playing. And one of the things that caught my eye is this called the willet. This bird called the willet is the Tringa semipalmata, and it is formerly in the monotypic genus Catoptrophoros. It's very hard to pronounce. It is a large shorebird in the family of Scolopacidae, and it's also a relatively large and robust sandpiper. So we're used to the sandpiper family. So if you tell people about sandpiper, then they said, oh, okay, this is the kind of bird, because it's a common word, sandpiper. And so I was watching them play together. They group together, they eat together, they play together, and they fly together in one direction. And you know what? They have a teamwork, and I hope we have always teamwork with our friends and family so that we have help every day. And so yeah, I was enjoying that moment, and this is what I caught in my eyes, this interesting species of bird. During the time of our visit, we had so much fun. As you can see, the kids are having fun under the sun, and we are so blessed to know this place. This is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and may God bless everyone, and see you next time. Bye.